Hello everyone. Good evening. Now my voice is coming. Hello. Beta, it's a technical glitch. That's why we are not able to connect, and it's a 15-minute delay. Okay. So don't worry. Now I'm audible to you, everyone. I'm audible to you, everyone. Yeah, give a comment. Okay, fine. Now that glitch is solved, so tell me, I'm audible, everyone. I'm audible. Fine. Now, beta, there's some glitch with the camera, so that's why we are late. I'm so sorry for that, Anna. Just stay here and we are going to start with the topic that is our number system, and let's see what we are going to study. Okay, so the topic is number system. Yeah, this is a basic topic regarding the computer, we can say, and we have already studied in a different manner that what is number system, and we have already discussed about that in the previous video. You can also go and check in the playlist. We have a playlist of the computer and related to various topics. So here we are going to see the number system, and today our main topic is basically the types of number system. We are going to types of number system. We are going to see. Okay, as you already know, there are four types of number system we have already studied. So the first one is called as a binary number system. The first one is called the binary number system. Second is called the decimal. The third one is octal, and the fourth one we know as a hexadecimal. Fine. Now, how we are going to recognize that which number system is given either in our competition, either in our the school exam, or anywhere where the number system will be asked. Okay. So how we are going to recognize? So there are basic term we can see and analyze that which one is which type of number system we can see. Okay. Now we can go for the binary. The binary represents the base to the power. The base will be always 2. So that is called what? That is called the binary number system. Whenever a number will be written in a bracket with a base of 2, that is called the binary number system. Okay. Coming up to the decimal number system, we are going with the decimal. It always represents with the base of 10. Okay. It always represents with the base of 10. That is called the decimal number system. Whenever you are going to see any number with a base of 10, you are definitely go with the what? Decimal number system. Okay. Now coming up to the octal, it is base 8, and coming up to the hexadecimal number system, it is with the base of 16. Clear? It is with the base of 16. So these are the very basic concept we can say, which is very important for your exam point of view. Okay, so make sure you have to learn about the types of number system in a computer. Okay, type of number system in a computer which are followed by these number series. Okay, that is called the binary, decimal, octal, and hexadecimal. Okay, fine. Now we are going to the most important concept and the most important topic that is called the conversion. Okay, if you want to write it, you can note down in your notes and we will move forward. I'm giving you a slide, you can go with the screenshot also. Okay, so let's move to the next, the most important topic that is called the conversion. Okay, now I'm going to convert from different number system to different number system. Okay, now see what are they. The first conversion we can see, the first conversion we are going to see for the decimal to binary. The first conversion we are going to see for the decimal to binary. It is which is very important. So how we are going to convert the decimal to binary? First of all, we know that what is decimal? That is a decimal from the base 10, and what is binary? To the base of 2. We have to convert from the base of 10 to 2. Now the basic is what? The decimal number system contain the 10 digit. 10 digit means what? The decimal is of 0 to 9 digits. Okay, and the binary is of what? Basically binary, understand the which language? The computer understand which language? It is a binary language which is in the form of 0 and 1 only. Clear? So from using the 0 to 9 digit, we will form one number and we will convert in the form of 0 and 1 here. So suppose I'm taking one example. Here's an example that I have to convert some numbers like 56. This is a number which belongs to 0 to 9. We can also take 0, we can also take 9. Okay, so I'm taking one number that is called a 56, which base is what? 10, and it's give what? To the base of 2, that is in the binary. So how we are going to do? Now look what we are going to do. We are just going to use a division method. We are going to use a division method. What it is? I hope it is visible, everyone. Yeah. Now we are going to use a division method. How we are going to use? Everyone know what is LCM? That is a least common multiple. How to find the least common multiple? Okay. Now we are going to use the least common multiple here. The first thing is we are going to draw like this. This is the basic concept. I can erase and write it. Division. Yeah. Now, the basic concept is what? We have to convert this 56 in the binary. Binary, that is on the 0 and 1. What we are going to do? Remember always, whenever we are going to convert from decimal to binary, we will always divide this number using 2. We will always divide this number using 2 only. Okay. So now, first we are going to divide this 56 using the division method. What we are doing the division method? 56 and it's a 2, which is divisor. This is dividend, and whatever we are seeing here, that is called the quotient. Okay, and whatever the end with the 0 and 1, that is called the remainder. Okay, now we are going to divide this 56 with 2. How many times it will go? Just tell me. Answer fast, everyone. How many times? When we will divide 56 by 2? Comment fast, everyone. I'm going to check. Comment fast. Comment, everyone. I'm going to check your comments. I'm just asking what we are going to divide 56 divided by 2. Just tell me. I'm going to solve. Aradhya is saying 28. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Samriddhi, very good. You are also 28. Okay, fine. Very good. So we are going with the 28. What 28? 28 2s are 56. Okay. 28 2s are 50 means 2 2s are 4. It gives remainder as a 1 and we are going to give it as a 16. So 2 8s are 16. So it will give the remainder what? When we will minus, it will give the remainder as 0. So what is this? This is our quotient term. And this is our remainder. This is our remainder. Yeah. So what we do here, we write always a remainder. Remember, and this side we are going to write as a remainder, and here 228. Again, we are going to divide it by the 2. Now, tell me the answer. What is the answer for that? When we will divide 28 by 2? Tell me. What is the answer, class? Just tell me. When we are going to divide 28 by 2, it will become 14. Very good. It's a 14. So 214. And what is the remainder? What we are going to do? Now here's the remainder. What is the remainder? Is a 0. Fine. And what about this? When we are going to divide, what is the remainder here? It's always 0. Very good. Now again, 2 sevens are clear. It's 2 sevens are 14. Again, it gives 0. And now coming up to the next, again we are going to divide 2 3s are 6. Am I right or wrong? Just tell me. Just tell me what we are going to answer. When we will divide 2 and 7. It's a very basic question I'm asking. 2 3s are 6. It will give the remainder as 1. So 2 3s are, and it will give remainder as what? 1. Now again we can divide. I am solving it here. We don't have a space. So when we will divide, it will become what? This is 3. And when we go 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. It will be 1, and the remainder will be also what? 1. Clear? So what we are going to do? Let's see. What is the number? What is the number here? Who is going to tell me? 11000. Who is saying? Rajan. Very good. Digital Sarthak log 28. Very good. 000. Aradhya, it's wrong. It's not 000110. What we are going to tell? I can see Yadvanshi Gamer. Very good. Very nice. So 111000. Again 11000. Samriddhi, Neha. Lots of comment are coming. So किसकी बात मानूंगा ये बताओ पहले. Sir, me. Who is this? Saras. 111000. 111000. Now tell me. किसकी बात मानो? बहुत सारे कमेंट आप बताओ, मैं सॉल्व करूं? यस और नो? आप तो यस बोलो, फिर मैं सॉल्व करता हूं आगे. आई एम स्टॉप्ड हियर. मैं यहाँ पे रुका हुआ हूं. आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर. सो फाइनल आंसर इज 111000. Very good. Let's see. Now I am proceeding further. Now we have a 3. We will go 2 1s are 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are, yeah, we are going to write 2 1s are 2. Fine. Now just look what we are going to do. The final answer is we are going from bottom to always top side. Top side means here. So what is the answer here? What we can say? It will become 1 1. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. 1 1 1 0 0 0. 1 1 1 0 0 0. And the base will be always what? The base is always 2. Now I can see who is doing the right answer. Saras is right. Rajan, you're also right. Very good. Neha, your answer is wrong. Just tell me. And I can see lots of comment here. Fine. I hope you understand how we are going to solve from decimal to binary. Is there any doubt you have? Just tell me. Now I'm going to give one question. Okay. Let's see who is going to solve. Who is going to solve? I'm going to give a question. Okay. Now let's see. I'm giving one question. You have to convert from 84 base 10 to the base of 2. Let's see who is giving the right answer. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Who is the giving the right answer? Just tell me fast. Sarthak vlog 211000. Not possible. Not wrong answer. We will get the value only in 0 and 1 beta. We'll get the value in 0 and 1. Not any else value. Will be sir. Will be there. 211000 is the wrong answer. Check it. Check it fast. Check your answer, everyone. Do it fast. Do it fast. 84. You have to convert the decimal into the binary. How are we going to convert? Just tell me. I'm giving you 2 minutes only. Then after I'm going to solve. Check it. I'm out of the frame right now. Do it fast. One zero, lots of comment are there. Rajan is so active right now, I think. Very nice, very nice. 10101000. Okay, let's see. I'm going to solve. Okay, let's see what is the answer. What will be the answer? Let's see. We'll draw like this again. Okay, now the 84. We are going to write 84 here. We are going to write the remainder here. Now the first match your answer with me. We are going to divide it by 2 again. How many times? 2 fours are and 2 twos are. It's 42. The remainder is 0. Again 2. 2 twos are, 2 ones are. The remainder is again 0. Now tell me who is going to answer. Will the remainder will get 0 after dividing 2? Can we divide 21 by 2? Tell me fast. Jaldi batao, jaldi batao. We will get the remainder, I guess. We will get the remainder. 2 tens are and the remainder will be 1. 2 fives are 10, remainder is 0. Again 2 twos are, the remainder is 1. And again I am solving it here. I am solving here. 2 ones are, the remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. Now tell me, what is the answer? What we got? What is the value? I already told you we have to use that bottom to top approach. So this was the last digit. This was the last digit. Will go upside and this will come like this. Right? So what we are going to do? We are going to write 84 to the base equals to 1010100 to the base of 2. Whose answer is correct? 1010100. This answer is correct. Very good. Very nice. Anmol 111000. No beta. Just look. Match your answer. Neha Mishra 42. Yadvanshi 21. 3. Very good. Sorry, one is remainder. Match your answers. Match your answers, everyone. Match your answers. I can see. So the final answer is 1010100. You can see what is the remainder here, what is the quotient here. You can match, and we are going to proceed with the next topic, that is called what? From decimal to octal. Yeah, from decimal to octal we are going to see. You can match 10 Samriddhi Singh 1010100 1010100. Very nice, very good. Correct answer, everyone. Okay, let's see. Digital Sarthak log. One more question, please. Okay, beta, we have to proceed with the next topic, na? Okay, I'm giving you one more question. Let's see. I'm giving one more question, and one last question. Then we are going to proceed with the next topic. Let's see. One more question I'm giving. Just a digit of 142 base 10 gives what? I think it's a tough now. Let's see who is giving the answer. I'm waiting. Who is giving the answer? 142 base to the power base 10 and it will give the base 2. What is the value? Let's see. Waiting for the answer. जल्दी जल्दी बताओ बेटा, सब लोग बताओ. Rajan, where are you? You are my bright student, you know. He is the only guy who come in every live, you know. Everyone. He is here when we have started our channel. Samriddhi, Mayank, Anmol, everyone, Sarthak, tell me the answer. Sarthak, answer is there 0110100. Saras 1D00011110. I don't know the answer. I'm going to convert here only. Clear? Just check it fast. Only 1 minute I'm giving you. I'm checking your comments. Shikhar 1000110. Rajan 1000110. Anmol, Aradhya, where are you? Let's see how we are going to convert. Now, we are going to divide this number again by 2. The 2 is 2 sevens are 14 and 2 ones are 2. The remainder is always 0. This is the remainder. Okay. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to divide it by 2. No one will divide from any number. Okay. Now, when we will divide this 71 by 2, we will get the remainder, and that is a quotient as what? 35 times. And it will not complete divide because it is having a digit of 1 here. So we will get 1 remainder. Okay, fine. Now, how many times? Again 2 times. 2, 17 twos are 34. So we will get what? How many times? 17 times here. So again we will get 1 remainder. Now again 2 8s are 16. Again we will get 1 remainder. Clear? Now when we will divide it by 2, 2 4s are, we will get 0. 2 2s are, again we will get 0. And the last one is 2 1s are, we will get the 0. So what is the final answer? You can check. You can check everyone. 71, 35, 17, 8, 4, 2, 1. Now, the bottom to top approach we are going to see. Bottom to top approach. That is what? The 142 base 10 can be written as what? 1000, 1000, 1110, 1110. Base of 2. Don't forget to write the base. So you can check. This is the answer. Whose answer is correct? Whose answer is correct? 1010100. Saras answer is correct. Very good. Rajan answer is also correct. Where is list of them? 1000, 10000. Neha Mishra. Who is Neha Mishra? Just write your name, beta. Sir, my answer is correct. Okay, very nice. So I hope everyone understand how we are going to convert from decimal to binary. Okay. Now the next question, the next conversion we are going to see for decimal to octal. Now we are going to see for the octal. Let's see. We can see for the decimal to octal. We are going to see from decimal to octal. Now remember, for octal number system, we are going to use the digits what? 0 to. Who will tell? Tell me. From which digit we are going to use? How many digits we are going to use? From 0 to what? if you are going to use in the decimal 0 to 9, then what we are going to use in the 0 to rest of the number? Tell me. Tell me fast. I'm checking your answer. Which number we are going to use? 0 to 7. It's 0 to 7, beta. Okay. Now, how we are going to convert? We are just going to, in the decimal to binary, we are dividing the given digit by 2. But in the decimal to octal, we are just going to divide the number by 8. Clear? We are going to divide the number by 8 here. And here we are going to pick any type of number. We can go with any type of number, like suppose the base is 154. Go with 154. And we have to convert with a base of what? With a base of 8. Now tell me the number. What is the number here? Tell me. We are going to write for the 154. That is for the decimal to octal. We are going to convert from decimal to octal. Tell me the number. Tell me the number. 154. I'm checking your comments, everyone. Sir, 154. What 154? It's a 154, beta. It's a decimal. You have to convert it into the octal. Just tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. My voice is clear. Can you tell me? My voice is audible to you? Am I audible, everyone? Okay. Rajan, beta, your answer is wrong. 10010. It's not. We are going to convert from decimal to octal. We are not going to convert from decimal to binary. Please see it. Recheck the question. We are going to divide the number by 8. We are not going to get the digit in 0 and 1. Okay. Just check it fast. Now, if you are going to convert 154, that is in the decimal form, and we have to convert in the octal form, we have to divide this number by 8. And when we will divide 154 with 8, what we will get? The first number, 8 ones are 8. 15 minus 8, it will be 7. And here, the 4 will be copied. Okay. Now, how many times? Read the table of 8. Read the table of 8, everyone. Read the table of 8. Yaduvanshi Gamer 10010. Beta, I am telling you, it's a conversion from decimal to octal. It's a conversion from decimal to octal. We are going to convert, we are going to divide this number by 8, not by 2. Check it. Neha, it's 8 times. Very good. Very nice. It's 8 times. Somebody give me the answer. No, sir, very easy. Anmol, it's very easy, na? Then answer it, na? How many times? It's 9 times. 8 nines are. And the remainder will be what? The remainder will be 2 here. So, how many times? 154 goes 19 times. And the remainder will be 2. Fine. Now, what we are going to do? Again, we are going to divide it by 8. So, again, when we will divide this 19 by 8, what we will get? 8 2s are 16, and the remainder will be 3. So how many times? 8 2s are, and the remainder will be 3. Now tell me, who is answering? Mayank, sir, 8 times. Answer बताओ बेटा, जल्दी answer बताओ मुझे. टेल मी द आंसर, मैंने तो फाइंड कर लिया, अब बताओ मुझे क्या आंसर होगा। टेल मी, मैंने तो फाइंड कर लिया, जल्दी बताओ। We'll again use the bottom to top approach, that is called what? 154 base of 10, it will give as 232 base of 8. I hope you understand. I hope you all understand what is the value. Okay, fine. Now the next conversion we are going to see for the next topic, that is called the decimal to octal. Octal we have done. We are going with the hexadecimal. Clear? We are going with the hexadecimal. Same value we are going to do. 154. What we are going to do? We are only divide with the 16. Now it's a homework. You can solve. And we will again use the bottom to top approach. And here the main concept is about the hexadecimal. First you have to know about it. What is the hexadecimal? Hexadecimal. We will use the value from 0 to 9. This is called the numeric value. And if the number comes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, clear? And the 15, clear? So what we are going to give the alphabets. We are going to give the alphabets. That A will represent as what? A. This is B. This is C. This is D. This is E. And this is F. Clear? Means we are going to use a digit 0 to 9. And then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 will be represented in a alphabet. That is called A, B, C, D till F. So you will get the question like this. Suppose we have to convert this 194 base of 10 to base of 16. We have to convert 194 base of 10 to the base of 16. This is the last question for the decimal to hexadecimal. Decimal to hexadecimal. Clear? That is of 0 to 9, 0 to 9 and A to F. Clear? We are going to 0 to 9 and A to F. Now tell me, who is going to give the answer? Now tell me, 0 to 9, it is there, A to F is there. Now tell me the answer. Fast everyone. Just divide it by 16. Divide it by 16. Divide this number by 16. Same process. 194, we will divide it by 16. Divide it. How many times it will go? I'm checking your answers. Do it fast. Who is going to answer? 194 divided by 16. 232. Sarthak, you are late. Sir, first I am giving the answer. Okay. Okay, just tell me about this. Tell me. We are going to divide this number, okay? 194 by 16. One time. It will go 16 ones are 16. T will be remainder and this will become 4. 16 twos are 32. So the remainder is 2. So what we are going to do? We are just going to write 12 and the remainder will be 2. Now again, what we can write? Can we divide it by 16? Is it possible to divide 12 by 16? Is it possible to divide 12 by 16? No. So we can go with this, we will stop here. We will stop here and we are going to use the concept that is for the bottom to top approach. This is the bottom to top approach. What? And 12, I told you now, what 12 can be written? C and this is 2. So 12 can be written as C and already there is a 2. So we can write this as what? We can write this as 194 base 10. It will give as C2 base 16. This is your answer. You can check everyone. C2, C2, C2. बहुत बढ़िया बेटे. Very good, very good. I hope you got my point. Everyone, you got my point. Okay, fine. Now coming up to the next topic. We are moving forward. Okay, we are done with the conversion from the decimal to all the number system. Now the most important topic, which is very important, that is from the binary to decimal. Binary to decimal means what? Binary to decimal means from base of 2 we are going to base of 10. Now I am giving you the number. The basic number we can see, that is called the 111000. Now tell me what we can write. How we are going to convert? I am telling you how we are going to convert. Let's see. First, we are going to write the number as in a break form. है ना? 1 1 1 0 0 and this is 0. Clear? Now the first thing we are going to do, we are going to mark from left hand side, from the right hand side to the left hand side, from the right hand side to the left hand side, like this. From the right hand side to the left hand side, and we have to convert from binary to decimal. We have to convert from binary to decimal means from the base of 2 we are going to convert in the base of 10. So when we are going to multiply, we are going to multiply it by 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 5. This is a basic concept. Okay. Always, कितना भी बड़ा number होगा, you are going to start with 2 to the power 0. Whenever it will be for the binary to decimal. Whenever it is for the binary to decimal, you are going to start with the 2 to the power 0. Whenever it is from the binary to decimal. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to add all the numbers. We are going to add all the numbers. Okay. Now, we have added 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now, what we are going to do? The first concept is we are going to multiply this one. We are going to multiply means 0 into 2 to the power 0 plus sign यहाँ आ गया. Again 0 into 2 to the power 1, again plus sign आ गया. 0 into 2 to the power 2, again plus sign आ गया. 1 into 2 to the power 3, again plus sign आ गया. 1 into 2 to the power 4, again plus sign आया. And 1 into 2 to the power 5. Now you can see, I have already told you, we have already studied the chapter exponent, and we know whenever there is any number and it is having any power, this is a natural number. Clear? This is a natural number. So suppose 2 to the power 1 is, we are going to multiply 2. What is a 2 to the power 2? It means 2 into 2. 2 to the power 3, it means 2 into 2 into 2. But the basic concept is what? Whenever any number contains the power 0, its value is always what? Its value is always equal to 1. Remember everyone, this is a basic concept. So we have 0 into 2 to the power 0. It means 0 into 1 plus 2 to the power 1 means 0 into 2 plus 2 to the power 4, it's 4. And it is 0 into 4 plus 2 to the power 3 means 2 to the 4 to the 8. It is 8. So 1 into 8 plus 16. 2 to the 4 means 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Yeah. So here we are going to get the 16. And now plus 2 to the power 5 is 1 into 32. You can go further like this, है ना? एक और 2 यहाँ पे multiply करो तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 32 हो जाएगा. Clear? Now we are going to add the numbers. 32 यहाँ पे लिखा. 1 into 32, it is 32. 1 into 16, it is 16. It is 1 into 8, it is 8. And here 0 into 4. Whenever we are going to multiply any number with 0, it will always represent as a 0. Plus again 0 into 2, it's 0, and 0 into 1, it is also represents 0. Now we can go with the addition part, the simplest addition part, sum of the number. 32 plus 8, it's 40, and 40 plus 16, what is the value? What is the value? It's a 56. Very nice. Very good. This is 56. Base of 8. 8 or 16. It's a base of, sorry. 1 second. Yeah, it's a base of 10. 56, it's a base of 10. This is the answer. Very good. Sorry, I have a problem in binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal. Okay, बेटा. प्रॉब्लम की जरूरत ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. मैं बताता हूँ आपको क्या दिक्कत है. Let's see. I told you ना binary to decimal समझ में आया. You are going to multiply with 2. What about if it asks binary to octal? You are going to multiply it by 8. There is one thing. You are going to multiply it by 8. Let's see. I'm on the topic. Everyone got this point? You can take the screenshot. Okay. देखो क्या होगा. Let's see. We are going to convert from binary to octal. बेटा कंफ्यूज होने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, कंफ्यूज होने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है. Whenever यहाँ पे जब भी binary to decimal की बात आएगी, ठीक है, you are going to multiply it by 2. Whenever it comes for the binary to octal, it will be multiplied by 8, and whenever it comes from the binary to hexadecimal, it will multiply by 16. Let's see, I'm going to convert from binary to octal. Suppose there are some number 10101 base of 2, and we have to go with the what? Base of 8. Clear? Now see, क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? अब हम करेंगे क्या? सेम प्रोसेस यूज करो. ठीक है, क्या करेंगे? 1 0 1 0 इतना रहेगा. सब ने बोला था इसको ब्रेक करके दूर दूर लिख दो. ठीक है, फिर क्या करो? बीच में एडिशन का साइन लगा दो. सेकंड स्टेप. थर्ड स्टेप क्या होगा? थर्ड स्टेप विल बी, नाउ सर ने बोला था कहां से करना है? बाइनरी से किसमें करना है? बाइनरी से हमें किसमें करना है? ऑक्टल में करना है. जब ऑक्टल में करना होगा तो आप चेक करो, इट इज बेस 8. So we are going to multiply it by base of 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2, 8 to the power 3, and 8 to the power 4. And we are going to multiply. We are going to multiply. We are going to multiply this number. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो? Let's see. This will become 1 into 8 to the power 0. This is for the binary to octal. Binary से octal जब convert करेंगे, we are going to 1 into 8 to the power 0. Same process. जैसे binary to decimal क्या था? उसमें 2 से क्या था? इसमें 8 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, प्लस 0 into 8 to the power 1, प्लस अगेन 1 into 8 to the power 2, plus 0 into 8 to the power 3, and here it becomes 1 into 8 to the power 4. Now solve it. Again, whenever any number, मैंने बोला ना किसी भी नंबर की पावर अगर 0 होती है तो हमेशा उसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? 1 होगी. चाहे या 8 हो या 100 हो या 1000 1 लाख 1 करोड़ क्यों ना हो, हमेशा उसकी पावर अगर 0 हुआ तो उसकी वैल्यू हमेशा होगी 1. So here 1 into 8 to the power 0. So we are going with the 1. What is 0 and 8 to the power 1? Means 8 into 0. Here 8 into 2. 8 to the power 2 means 8 की power 2 क्या होगा? 8 into 8. It is 64. ठीक है, so 1 into 64. Now what is 8 to the power 3? What is 8 to the power? That is 0 into 512. We are going to add करते जाओ. Don't be confused. Okay, again plus, and 8 to the power 4 is what? 1 into 8 को 8 to the power 4 का मतलब क्या है? 8 को 4 times multiply करना. This is 64 and this is 64. दोनों का स्क्वायर करोगे क्या आएगा? We have 4096. 0 ऐड नहीं होता है, यहाँ भी 0 ऐड नहीं होता है. 64 is here and 1 is here. What we are going to do? We are going to add 4096 plus 64 plus 1. It will give what? 65. How? What will it be? It will 4161. The base is what? The base is 8. You can see. Please see the binary to decimal. What? See the binary to decimal. What happened? What happened? Binary to decimal. What happened? Tell me. अनमोल क्या हो गया? बताओ बताओ क्या हो गया बेटा? Tell me. Hmm? जल्दी से बताओ. Now the next topic is for the what? Same process is for the binary to hexadecimal. Hexadecimal में क्या करोगे? What we are going to do in the hexadecimal? You are going to multiply with the 16 here. We are going to multiply with the 16. 8 की जगह हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? 16 हो जाएगा और कुछ नहीं करना है. ठीक है? इसका पावर लिखो and then you can convert it. Okay? Fine. Now ये था हमारा क्या? Binary to hexadecimal हो गया. अब सेम अगर प्रोसेस हमें करना हो किसके लिए? फॉर द ऑक्टल. ऑक्टल टू डेसिमल, ऑक्टल टू बाइनरी, ऑक्टल टू हेक्साडेसिमल. सो वी कैन गो विद द सेम प्रोसेस व्हाट वी हैव डन फॉर द बाइनरी टू डेसिमल. जो ये प्रोसेस हम लोग कर रहे हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू डू द सेम. ठीक है? समझ में आया? किसी को कोई डाउट हो जस्ट कमेंट करो तुरंत. कमेंट फास्ट एवरीवन, कमेंट इट. Do it fast. So please see upper side. क्या मैं देखूं upper side में? क्या दिखाना चाह रहे हो? मुझे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. Please see the binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. क्या है binary to decimal? कहाँ लिखा है? यही तो लिखा है binary to decimal. ये है binary to decimal. यही तो है और क्या है? सर आई हैव अंडरस्टूड. सो प्लीज सी अपर साइड. बेटा मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है अपर साइड में, क्या करूं? आई कैन सी एवरीथिंग इज करेक्ट. भाई ऑक्टल से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 8 होगा, हेक्साडेसिमल मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 16 होगा, डेसिमल से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वी विल गेट विद द 2. सिंपल. चलो नेक्स्ट. बाइनरी डेसिमल नो करेक्ट. बेटा आई एम नॉट राइटिंग इन बेस. ये बेस नहीं है, तब से तो बोल रहा हूँ. इट्स नॉट अ बेस. आई एम टेलिंग यू जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई इट विद 16. जब भी बाइनरी से डेसिमल करोगे यू आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई दैट नंबर विद व्हाट? 2. आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट. ये बेस नहीं बता रहा हूं मैं. क्लियर? अनमोल क्लियर? यस और नो बताओ. समझ में आ गया सबको? कोई डाउट हो तो बताओ मुझे. आई एम गोइंग टू सी योर कमेंट्स. बताइए. एवरीवन इज फाइन? अनमोल आर यू देयर? डाउट्स क्लियर हुए आपके? Now tell me what you want to study now. We have done with the binary to octal, है ना? We have done with the binary to hexadecimal. Now tell me. These are the basic things you are going to see it in your exams, है ना? आ सकते हैं, बिल्कुल आ सकते हैं. And just focus on the next chapter that is called the function. I'm going on another chapter. Sir, can you teach chapter 8, please? बेटा आई विल डेफिनेटली टीच यू, जस्ट बी हियर, है ना। हर एक चैप्टर का प्रॉपर मैं जल्दी से रिवीजन कराऊंगा जिससे आप लोग को इजी हो जाएगा, ठीक है। नाउ सी, वी आर गोइंग टू द फंक्शन इन एक्सेल। वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न द फंक्शंस, है ना। व्हाट इज एक्सेल? जिसमें हम लोग सारे डेटा, सारे इंफॉर्मेशन को कलेक्ट करके एक डेटा टेबल्स तैयार करते हैं, एंड इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ व्हाट? इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ, who is going to tell me? It is a combination of what? The now this is the combination of row and column, and the combination of row and column is always called what? Comment करो जल्दी से, कौन बताएगा? The combination of row and column is called what in the function? फंक्शन नहीं पढ़ना है किसी को? फंक्शन नहीं पढ़ना है? Just tell me what is the concept for row into column? Cell. Yes, it's a cell. तो fill in the blanks के लिए अपने आप को रेडी रखना, ठीक है। मे बी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है, ठीक है। इट इज सेल, क्लियर। नाउ वी हैव अ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शंस वी हैव यूज्ड इन द एक्सेल, है ना। कुछ का नाम बता दो जल्दी से, चलो लेट्स सी। नेम्स ऑफ फंक्शन, बेसिक फंक्शन, सम एंड, जल्दी जल्दी बताओ, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू टेल मी? Tell me. It's for class 6. Yes, it is for class 6, 7, 8, for all the classes. It is very mandatory, you know. It's a basic Excel you can see and you can use for the rest of the classes also. It is not specifically for the 6. It is for all the classes. You can, the BTech student can also join them because it's a basic of computer, you know. It's a basic of Excel. You can go with that. It's not for the 6. Clear? We are going with the sum, average, count, min, max, proper. If, right, left, mid, और कौन सा छूट रहा है बताओ? और कौन सा छूट रहा है बताओ? Just tell me. If function हो गया, वेरी गुड। और बताओ मुझे, मिन मैक्स भी हो गया, मैंने तुम लोग से पहले ही लिख दिया भाई। हाँ, मिन मैक्स एवरेज हो गया, सबका बेसिक फॉर्मेट पता है। वी विल ऑलवेज यूज व्हाट? आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्प्रेड, मैं बहुत ज्यादा इस चैप्टर को खींचूंगा नहीं बिकॉज आई नो यू ऑल नो हाउ टू यूज द फंक्शन। बस बेसिक करेक्ट वैल्यू जान लो कि कैसे हम लोग फंक्शन को या किसी भी फंक्शन, कोई भी फंक्शन से, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इन द एक्सेल। So the basic format for using the Excel is what? You're going with the equal to sign. You're going to use the bracket. Okay. Now the cell we are going with the function here, right? Suppose we are going to use the sum, and we are going to use the cell name, that is A2. This is A and this is 2. Suppose यहाँ 32 लिखा है and यहाँ पे लिखा है C2 में हमारे पास 4. So we are going with the A2 to C2. ठीक है? Equal to sum A2 to C2. What it means? Equal to sum. It will become what? It will become what? 32 plus 4. It will give what? The value will be 36. So the total value will come 36. So basic thing I'm going to, what I want to teach you, this format. Don't forget to put the equal sign, don't forget to put the function, and don't forget to put the cell. This is called function and this is called the equal to. Whenever we are going to start any function, we will always start with what? We will always start with the equal to sign. So I just want to tell you, clear? और भी बहुत सारे फंक्शन, हमारे पास लोअर फंक्शन भी है, ठीक है? We have a lower function. Okay, so I hope the things are revised. You all know how to use a function. So जिस चीज की डिमांड मेरे सामने दिख रही है, I can see the comment box. And yes, the basic question. One more thing. Counter. One question is very famous question. I have already shared with you guys that difference between count and counter. Tell me the answer. Who is going to tell me difference between a count and a counter function? Who is going to tell me the difference between count and counter function? Who is going to tell me the difference between count and counter function? I don't know. I want to know. I'm drawing on table. This is a spreadsheet. Clear? Now, this is A part, this is B, this is C. I'm using a cell. Here, this is A, oh sorry, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the cell. Now I'm taking some values like name, class, and marks. Okay. Suppose I have written the name Riya, Saras, Mayank, and I can say Arohi. Arohi. These are the 4 students we have taken that is from the class 6, 7, and suppose 8, and this is for the 9. Okay. I've entered the marks out of 30. Out of 30, it's 24, it's 29. Anna? Yes, I can go with the 18, and I can go with the 20 also. Okay. Now, when we will use the counter function, when we will use the first, we are going to see the count function. What is count function? The count function is that function which only use the numeric value. Only use numeric value. Only use the numeric value. Numeric value, it will count the numeric value. Means numeric means what? If we will use the numeric value, then we are going to with the equal to count, and then we are going to see what? From C2 to C5. C2 to C5. It will give how many? 2, 3, 4. The result will be 4. But what about the counter function? What about the counter function? What about the counter function, class? It will use alphabets and numeric keyword. Numeric values also. Means it will include all the things. It will also include the name, it will also include the class, it will also include the marks. So what is the counter function? That it includes the alphabets and numeric value, that is called the counter function. Just learn the proper definition, okay? And what is count? It will use only the numeric value, only the numeric, okay? Only it will give the numbers. And what about? It will give alphabets also. This one, everything. It will include the all the things, okay? A count function is used to numeric in the cell. So count numerical value and alphabets. Very good. Count function counts on the range of the cell, include a number while counter. Very good. Other format. Very good, beta. बहुत बढ़िया सरस. Counter function count everything. Don't write everything, है ना? everything मत लिखना, just use the proper term, proper keywords का use करिए, don't write everything, है ना? Fine. So done with the count and counter function, everyone. Now coming up to the your topic, that is called, you want, I can see many of the comment, that is called the HTML. चल देखते हैं HTML क्या होता है भाई. What is HTML? Let's see. Share the videos, share the link with your friend, status लगा लो, जहां लगा सकते हो वहां भेज दो, है ना? And don't forget to subscribe. I will see. Okay. Now we are going with the HTML. What is HTML? The basic full form of HTML is that hypertext markup language. ठीक है, hypertext markup language. अब यहाँ पे देखो कैसे HTML बनाइए. The first letter H T M and this is L. So it become what? It become the HTML. Now HTML is a basic building block, we can say. It's a type of a structure, we can say, through which we develop a website, or any, not website, we can say we can develop a web page. We give a structure to the web page. It gives, what it do? It gives structure to a web page. Yeah, it's give structure to the web page. Okay. Now coming up to the next, the basic syntax. What is syntax? Format. We can say the syntax is what? Format. Clear? Now the basic format for writing any HTML code is what? The first is HTML. Next is head section. We can go with the title also. And next is body. Under the body section, we are going to close the body section. We can also close the heading section here only with the slash. When you are going to use the slash, it means the tag is what? The tag is closed. Same here as a title tag, and the body tag will be closed here only. Here the body tag will be closed here only. And then again go with what? Go with the HTML tag. Okay, go with the HTML tag. This is the basic format we can see for the HTML. You can see the first is HTML. This can be asked, okay, what is HTML? What is the full form of HTML? What is the basic structure of HTML? So you can go with this HTML head, title, body, Hana? And then body section. Under the body section, you can go with the many tags like the BG color app. There are various you can see, and you can go with the books also. Book में भी देखो जा करके, ठीक है? Sir, I subscribe with my all account. Very good. Thank you so much. Sorry, what is syntax? Okay, syntax is basically for the format of writing. ठीक है, किसी भी चीज को लिखने के तरीके को, मींस कोई भी HTML का कोड अगर हम लिखते हैं तो उसका लिखने का तरीका, उसका लेआउट कैसा होगा, दिस इज व्हाट कॉल्ड द सिंटैक्स. आई होप समझ में आ गया. आई होप आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया दैट व्हाट इज सिंटैक्स. क्लियर एवरीवन? क्लियर? यस और नो? Fine. Now coming up to the next, we are going with the syntax, and we have a different topics called the, like, which are the tags we are going to use. Tags मतलब क्या? Tag क्या है? देखा है ना, ये जितने भी एरो के अंदर लिखे हैं, this is all called what? Tag. ठीक है, this all called as a tag. We use the different types of tag. You can see in your book there are different types of tag. You can, how you are going to convert, how you are going to change the background, that is a background color. Suppose ये हमारा एक वेब पेज है एंड मुझे इसका कलर पूरा चेंज करके ब्लू करना है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द बीजी कलर. ठीक है, वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द बीजी कलर, है ना. बहुत सारी चीजें आप लोग देख सकते हो अपने बुक्स में, यहाँ पे दिए होंगे. सो दिस आर द बेसिक फॉर्मेट यू कैन गो. You can learn what is the use of HTML. HTML is a basic syntax which define that the program is in the format of hypertext markup language. जो हम प्रोग्राम यूज कर रहे हैं, जो डॉक टाइप होगा उसका, वो हमारा क्या होगा, एक HTML होगा. हेड क्या है? हेड is that which is giving the heading to any of the website. सपोज जैसे फ्लिपकार्ट पे जब जाते हो तो हेडिंग पाते हो ना कि आई हैव टू सी द फ्लिपकार्ट. तो फ्लिपकार्ट जो लिख करके आता है वो कैसे आएगा? यूजिंग द हेडिंग टैग. अब उसके भी अंदर अब उस वेब पेज के अगर अंदर जाओ तो यहाँ पे एक मोबाइल सेक्शन आता है. मोबाइल सेक्शन कहाँ से आएगा? यूजिंग अ टाइटल. यू कैन गिव द टाइटल अ स्पेशल हेडिंग, है ना. यू कैन गिव द हेडिंग आल्सो. तो हेडिंग तो अभी आप लोग में नहीं है. एंड अंडर द बॉडी सेक्शन द ऑल कंटेंट, जो भी बॉक्सेस आपसे बनते हैं यहाँ पे दिखाएगा. मेनी ऑफ द कैटेगरीज आर देयर, है ना. होम हो गया, अबाउट हो गया, ये सारी चीजें किसके अंदर आती हैं? दिस ऑल कम अंडर द, जो भी मेन कंटेंट होता है हमारे वेब पेज का, इट्स ऑल कम अंडर द बॉडी सेक्शन. And whenever you are going to write any code, in HTML, you will definitely close with what? Slash. This type of slash should be used. Then it will be the real what? Then it will be a real code. Otherwise, it will be wrong. Okay, everyone. So types of tag. बेटा देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ, बहुत सारे टैग्स होते हैं. ठीक है, तो आपके बुक्स में बहुत सारे डिफरेंट दिए हुए हैं. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टैग. यू कैन गो एंड स्टडी. टैग्स बहुत हम लोग यूज करते हैं HTML में. सो एक दो टैग नहीं होता है. मेनली अगर टैग को मैं कंसीडर करूं, जो कि आई थिंक आप लोग की सिलेबस नहीं है. सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ टैग. कंटेनर टैग एंड वन इज कॉल्ड द एम्प्टी टैग. ठीक है, दो तरह के टैग होते हैं. एक होता है कंटेनर टैग, एक होता है हमारा एम्प्टी टैग. ठीक है, दो तरह के टैग हमारे होते हैं. ठीक है, कंटेनर टैग क्या होता है? कंटेनर टैग हमेशा याद रखो, जिस भी टैग का, मैं इधर रफ कर रहा हूं, मैं समझाता हूं कंटेनर टैग क्या होता है. जस्ट लुक, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कंटेनर टैग ना. कंटेनर टैग, व्हाट इज कंटेनर टैग? जिस भी टैग का, सपोज HTML is having the opening, this is called the opening tag, and this is also having one closing tag using the slash. जब भी हम किसी भी टैग में अगर स्लैश यूज करते हैं और वो स्लैश के साथ बंद है, this is called what? This is called the closing tag. So whenever any tag is having a opening tag and a closing tag, that tag is called what? That tag is called the container tag. ठीक है, that tag is called the container tag. And what about empty tag? Empty मतलब खाली. empty tag मतलब जो चीज खाली हो, बिल्कुल वैकेंट हो, है ना. So that, इसका ओपनिंग टैग तो हो, बट हमारे पास क्लोजिंग टैग होता ही नहीं है. That tag which have an opening tag but not a closing tag, that tag is called the empty tag. Clear? जिस टैग का ये वाला टैग होगा ही नहीं ना, ये होगा ही नहीं, so that tag is called what? Empty tag. So there are basically two types of tag we can see. The one is called the container tag and second is called the empty tag. Anyone have any doubts? So container tag closing and opening tag, while empty tag have only opening tag. Very good. बिल्कुल सही है सरस. वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस बेटा. ओके, नाउ कमिंग मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, है ना. बहुत सारी चीजें आप लोगों को टैग इसमें आप लोगों को बुक्स में देखने को मिलेगा. यू कैन आल्सो सी देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टैग, है ना. कुछ टैग्स हमें देखने को किस तरह के मिलेंगे. यहाँ यू कैन सी B is definitely called the bold. जैसे फोन में लिखते हो ना, suppose I'm giving the example. What is the usage of B tag? B tag is basically for the bold of any text. Boldness of any text means suppose मैंने लिखा sure है, ठीक है, ये दिख रहा है. मुझे थोड़ा सा इसको हाईलाइट करना है, बाकी टेक्स्ट से अलग करके मुझे हाईलाइट करना है. What I will do? I will bold it. क्या करेंगे, बोल्ड मतलब थोड़ा सा बोल्ड करके इसको कलर किया, ठीक है, एच आई कलर्ड, ये कुछ अलग दिख रहा है, नेम तो वही लिखना हूँ, वर्ड तो वही लिखना हूँ, एस एच आई राइटन ए, क्लियर, तो कलर तो वही है, टेक्स्ट तो वही है, बस उसका जो साइज है वो क्या है, थोड़ा हाईलाइट हो रहा है, सो दिस इज द यूज ऑफ व्हाट, V tag which is called as a bold, ठीक है। सेकंड वन इज कॉल्ड द I tag, I tag we can say the italic, italic tag means इसी को कर्व फॉर्म में, लाइक S H A U R Y A, ये देखो बिल्कुल सीधा सीधा लिखा है, दिस इज थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे ऐसे इस टाइप में, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, दैट इज कॉल्ड द इटैलिक टैग, ठीक है, क्लियर सरस, नो सर, I'm telling you that is the I tag beta, that is called the italic tag, that is called the italic tag, ठीक है, clear, that is called the italic tag, you can see B is bold, I is italic tag, clear, clear, now tell me, बताओ, अब देखो बहुत सारे टैग्स, अब मैं अगर बात करूं, इटैलिक टैग हो गया आपका, अब बात करते हैं सा हेडिंग टैग के ऊपर, ठीक है, व्हाट इज हेडिंग, नाउ सी द हेडिंग, द नेक्स्ट इज कॉल्ड द हेडिंग टैग, बोल्ड समझ में आ गया, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कॉल्ड द हेडिंग टैग, व्हाट इज हेडिंग, भाई अगर एक कॉपी लेते हो, whenever you are taking any copy, just write the heading as a chapter na, that chapter is one, that is a number system, number, suppose I write a number as a heading, underline किया, so what is this, this is a called heading, तो किसी भी वेब पेज में अगर मुझे हेडिंग को ऐड करना है, what we are going to use, we are going to use a heading, अब डायरेक्ट हेडिंग नहीं लिखो, you are just going to use what, H1, there are different size, सपोज डिफरेंट साइज का मतलब क्या है, H1 भी होता है, H2 होगा, H3 होता है, H4 होता है, तो हमेशा जब भी नंबर नीचे की साइड जाता रहेगा और भी टेक्स्ट क्या होंगे उसके छोटे होते जाएंगे, तो सपोज H1 इज लाइक दिस, SHAU, ठीक है, नाउ कमिंग अप टू द H2 ना, उससे थोड़ा छोटा होगा, SHAU, S3 और छोटा हो जाएगा, SHAU, और H4 और छोटा, SHAU. So this is the main use of what, heading tag. So heading tag is always represented as H1, H2, H3 and H4. Clear everyone? The heading tag is always represented as a H1, H2, H3 and H4. किसी को कोई डाउट है बताओ, you have any doubt? अब देखो ये और छोटा, ये कहां तक होता है मेनली पता है, ये हमारे हेडिंग टैग होते हैं H6 तक, और सबसे छोटा होता है ये देखो, इतना छोटा सा हो जाएगा, ठीक है, उससे थोड़ा सा और बड़ा हो जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा, ठीक है, सबसे छोटे में लिखता है ये SHAU, सो द दिस इज लार्जर, large stone we can say, H1 is a large stone and S6 is a small stone, clear, the S6 is a small stone, clear, or we can say smallest one, है ना, so these are the, so whenever you will get the question which one is the largest, H1 is the largest and S6 is the smallest one, कहां तक जाता है, S6 से आता है, सबसे छोटे होते हैं टेक्स्ट में जो बिल्कुल छोटा होता लिखते हैं S S S S, so this is called S6, और सबसे बड़े बड़े वाले को क्या कहते हैं, H1 कहते हैं, ठीक है, समझ में आ गया, ओके, now coming up to the font tag, the next tag is called the font. Font का मतलब क्या है, the style which you are giving to your text, like this, एस को लिखने के बहुत सारे फॉर्मेट होते हैं, सपोज बहुत सारे फॉर्मेट, लाइक दिस वी कैन राइट, दिस इज आल्सो अ राइटिंग, दिस इज आल्सो अ राइटिंग, इसी नेम को लिखने का, ठीक है। और भी बहुत सारे नेम है, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, वी कैन राइट एस लाइक दिस, वी कैन राइट एच लाइक दिस, we can write A like this, है ना? So they have a different type of styles. You can see na different types of format of writing a single text. So that is called what? That is called the font tag. How we are going to convert? How we are going to change the style of a text? We are going to using a font tag. Clear everyone? We are going to use the font tag for that. ठीक है? Clear everyone? Got my point? Now, after this font tag, I just want to coming on the last topic, that is called the BR tag, which is very important. I have already written. BR tag is means line break. BR tag is what? This is called the line break. Suppose you have written something. What is the meaning of line break? Suppose I लिख रहा हूँ, hey there, my name is Sure. Clear? Suppose I'm writing it. You can see. I'm writing something. Hey there, my name is Shaun. Okay. Without using BR tag, it will give the output. What is the output here? Output क्या आएगा? अगर मैं इस प्रोग्राम को रन कराऊँ, it will give like this. Hey there, my name is Shaun. It's come in one line, एक ही लाइन में, without BR tag, without the BR tag. ये क्या होगा? एक ही लाइन में आएगा. But after BR tag, after using the BR tag, I want ना कि मेरा ये जो टेक्स्ट मैंने जिस तरीके से लिखा है, सेम इसी फॉर्मेट में मुझे आउटपुट में भी मिले. So what we are going to do? We are going to use the BR tag. How? We are going to use a BR tag in itself. यहाँ पे BR लगा दिया, नेम के आफ्टर मैंने BR लगाया, and this will come like this. Hey there, my name is. अब इस क्या है? नेम के बाद क्या है? हमारा BR tag है, so the next will print from here is Shaun. After using BR tag, okay? After using BR tag, it will become hey there, my name is Shaun. देखो तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? This break the line. This is called line break. यहाँ पे जो लाइन टूट करके नीचे लिखेंगे, that is called the line break. That is called the line break class. ठीक है? किसी को कोई डाउट है? बताओ. Tell me if you have any doubts. Tell me if you have any doubts. Comment as answer fast, everyone. बेटा मयंक इज आस्किंग दैट सर एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ दिस, क्या पूछा है, एट्रीब्यूट्स बताइए मुझे. ठीक है, बेसिकली देखो एट्रीब्यूट्स का सिंपल सा फंडा ये होता है ना, इट ऑलवेज गो विद द हाइट. हाइट हो गया, साइज हो गया. तो अगर मैं यहाँ पे h1 की बात कर रहा हूँ, इट गिव द साइज ना, एंड h6 की बात कर रहा हूँ तो इट गिव द साइज. So this is called, जहां पे मैं साइज की बात करूं, विद हो गया. ठीक है, so that is called what? That is called the attribute. So you can also see this is written. It's a type of a, we can say it's a type of a additional property we can use in the HTML. So that how we are going to arrange the text, how we are going to arrange the any shape on the web page. That is called the attribute. So उतना इसको डिस्कस नहीं किया. जो मेन चीज है वो हमारा BR टैग था. Go with the BR tag, go with the font tag, go with the line break, that is a BR na, and that go with the B tag, that is bold, go with the I tag, that is a italic. So these all are the basic things you can check in your books, you can revise and you can prepare for it. Clear? अब बताओ क्या डाउट्स है? What no sir? क्या हो गया? नो सर क्या है बताओ? What no sir? You have any doubts? Class, you have any doubts? Those students who are present here, 9 are watching, I can see. Just tell me. You have any doubts? जल्दी से बताओ मुझे. All clear regarding your computer? Everything is clear? Just tell me. कुछ और कोई भी टॉपिक हो जिसको नहीं समझ में आया, just ask me. Sir, we have no doubt that's why we said no. Okay, fine. So all you prepare for the computer? Okay, action button. Let's see. What is action button? Fine. Saras is asking, Saras has one question. That's please tell me what is action button. Let's see what is action button. मैं सिंपल सा एक रेगुलर चीजों की बात करता हूँ. Have you seen this type of buttons? In the music, जिससे इसको फॉरवर्ड करते हो, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ फॉरवर्ड, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ बैकवर्ड, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड द प्ले ऑब्लिक पॉज बटन. हैव यू सीन? जस्ट टेल मी किसने किसने देखा? एक्शन बटन वो बटन होते हैं जिससे हम कोई एक्शन, किसी भी चीज को प्रेजेंट करते हैं, स्टॉप करते हैं, प्ले करते हैं, और वी कैन डू एनीथिंग. Clear? That is called what? That is called the action button. You can see. ठीक है? समझ में आया? समझ में आया बेटा? What is action button? Types of एनिमेशन इफेक्ट पढ़ लेना क्या होता है. टाइप्स ऑफ दैट इज अ स्लाइड व्यू पढ़ लीजिएगा क्या होता है ना. गो विद द इसी प्ले और पॉज बटन में हम लोग किसी भी लिंक को ऐड कर सकते हैं. व्हेन विल क्लिक ना, जब भी हम इस पे क्लिक करेंगे पॉइंटर से, इट विल रीडायरेक्ट. कहां रीडायरेक्ट करेगा? किसी अनदर पेज पे कर देगा उठा करके. वी कैन आल्सो दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द एक्शन बटन. ठीक है? सो you can already you can create your action button yourself in a ppt. Okay, in a ppt you can add your custom action button. Clear? Now tell me sir, what is slideshow? Slideshow view. Okay, whenever you create a presentation, यहाँ पे presentation बनती है, मान लो ये सारे presentation तुमने बना लिए और एक साथ तुम्हें प्ले करना है, you will get one option here is a slideshow. स्लाइड शो का ऑप्शन होता है. जब उस पर क्लिक करोगे तो वन बाय वन ऑटोमेटिकली क्या होगा? एक लार्ज स्क्रीन पे तुम्हारा स्लाइड प्ले होना शुरू करेगा वन आफ्टर वन. देखा है? सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द व्हाट? स्लाइड शो. समझ में आ गया? क्लियर? एबी यदुवंशी गेमर, व्हाट्स द नेम बाय द वे? नाम बताओ पहले मुझे. गेमर, मिस्टर गेमर बताइए, व्हाट्स द नेम? बताइए बताइए. ओके फाइन. गॉट योर पॉइंट. 191 समझ गया मैं. चलो बताओ मुझे. You have any doubts? So we are going to end the class. Is you have any doubt? Anyone have any doubts? किसी को कोई डाउट है बताओ. Then I am going. Just tell me. Thank you so much. अच्छे से पेपर करो. टेंशन फ्री होकर के, ठीक है, एंड just do your best. All the best everyone. So we will meet in the next class, that is the maths class, है ना. Before the maths class we are going to again live, and इस बार इस लाइव में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, that I am assuring, है ना. पहले से तो मैं एक डेट में बता दूंगा, and we are ready with on the time. अब पहले ही होगा, that is on the I think 5 से 6 या 7 के बीच में, ठीक है. So we'll get more time to study, ठीक है. So उससे पहले सबसे ज्यादा शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, एंड क्या करिए, लाइक जरूर करो. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय, गुड नाइट एवरीवन.